it's not that I felt na merong danger.
May mga pros and cons yan eh. Kung kailan ka dapat sumali sa group, kung kailan ka dapat mag-isa lang na okay lang. Kasi
May mga misconceptions. Ang pangit ng mga misconceptions na,
huwag kang
kasi
munang-una, huwag ka bida-bida.
First timers are not labike, still for you. Ito gusto ko talagang tanungin, no? So, as a traveler and a non-Muslim, how did you feel safe going to Turkey with us na mga Muslims? And it's also a Muslim country.
Yun na nga. Kasi Muslim country, tapos Muslim yung sinalihan ko. I feel safe, very safe. Kasi hindi naman lahat na porket I've been to more than 50 countries eh. So most of the travels that I did in the past is I was solo. So hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na okay, dito safe, dito hindi. So that was my first time sa Turkey eh. So I made sure na dapat talaga nasa group tour din ako. So I was just lucky and fortunate kasi I found easy access. We are fortunate na nandun yung safety kahit non-Muslim ako, nandun yung komportable kasi kahit non-Muslim ako. Then even the food, I don't have problem with food. So it's very easy na makipag salamuha, is that's the right term, right? It's so malalim. Na dun sa group na yon, sa group nyo talaga, specifically, na komportable kayo naman ang pinaka number one importante. Yung komportable ka sa makakasama mo. Which is wala naman akong naramdaman na hindi ako komportable, hindi ako na-awkwardan, wala lahat.
Alam mo, salamat. Salamat sa amin yan. No? Kasi
Sa totoo lang.
madalas kasi, ang misconception is, hindi naman lahat, hindi ko nilalahat, but usually they would always like separate na, pwede bang yung mga kasama namin sa group, non-Muslim na lang kami lahat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have some groups talaga na they're all non-Muslims. And I'm not saying all, but there are also group tours na talagang may sumasali. And it's just so happen na we have this opportunity to really ask you on your personal experience, di ba?
So, it was a great experience. Wala akong masabi, hands down, sa group tour na yon. As a traveler na nasanay laging solo, so kailangan may mga pros and cons yan eh. Kung kailan ka dapat sumali sa group, kung kailan ka dapat mag-isa lang na okay lang. Kasi yung safety number one dun eh. So, for example, remember, I'm always convincing you, Noor, please, make a tour sa South America or South Africa because I'm willing to join. I'm not gonna do it by myself. So, yun yung mga ganon. So,
you know exactly the destination.
Yeah.
Kung kailan ka pwedeng safe and kung kailan na kailangan mo.
and to think I'm a solo traveler, malakas loob ko. Pero pagdating sa mga ganong places, hindi malakas loob ko. Kasi gusto ko umuwing buo. So doon, pero nag-stick talaga ako sa inyo. Diba? Lagi ako nag-inquire, kailan ka magli-lead, kailan ka pupunta sa ganito, kailan ganito. It's just happen na hindi talaga yung schedule natin.
Alam mo, gusto ko lang i-emphasize yung sa safety, no? For me naman, alhamdulillah, lahat ng mga places that I've been to are talagang safe naman siya. Even though there are some people, they have bad experience. For example, I would say like South Africa. So when I was in South Africa, I was with the group. It was a large group. It was more than 200. And then I was pregnant that time. So there's one day ng tour na hindi ako nakasali. But later that day, before the day ends, I was feeling better na. So I was going to some places. You know, South Africa, they have all the minerals.
Yeah.
Mura ang diamonds doon. So, ang hotel namin is nasa city center. May mga stores talaga ng mga diamonds like that. And to be honest, it's not expensive there in that manner. Dahil nga, sariling mineral nila yun. Galing talaga sa kanila. So for me, I was buying small things. And then, para sa akin, ang liliit lang. It was not really extravagant. Then, nag-advise sa akin yung, jeweler na, after this, you book your Grab, you book your Uber,
My Grab
you book your Uber, and just wait here inside. When your Uber arrives, we will assist you going inside, and we will see to it that you're inside, and we could talk to the driver.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know it was
Wow.
that serious kasi nga nasa group ako.
Group ka, yeah.
Only that time na nagsolo akong pumunta doon. Sabi ko, why, what happened? This is nothing. Parang natawa pa nga ako. And then, no, just yesterday, somebody got stopped here because they were buying diamonds.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I didn't realize that in places, honestly, for me, South Africa is one of my best country that I've been to. But I didn't expect that. And with that manner, you were trying to explain na for the safety, you have to know the country or the destination you're going. Kasi most of the time naman, pag mura, lalo pag mura
Yeah.
yung ticket, uy, punta tayo sa ganito.
Oo.
And we were not thinking, wala sa isip natin yung safety.
Oo, yun yung dapat hindi ka impulsive dun sa part na yon. Na pag kailangan, kahit ako, very impulsive ako. Pero pag
Yes.
alam kong hindi ako safe, I won't do that.
Yeah.
I won't do that. I'll make sure I have to be with the group. I have to be with somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So after doon, pumunta kagad ako sa group.
O, di ba?
And then, it's not that I felt na merong danger, but I was already aware that if you are not with the group, there could be a
There's a
possible danger.
yeah.
So sabi ko, group tour talaga, especially to places that are new, or I would say, quote-unquote, exotic, then you go with the group.
Yeah, especially
It
if
would
you're a
be
solo
safe.
traveler na babae ka.
Oo,
Huwag kang
kasi ikaw,
unang-una,
diba?
huwag ka bida-bida.
Oo.
Kasi ako unang-una bida-bida, pero alam ko, meron akong limit. Yeah, that's the right term also. Meron akong limit kung kailan ako dapat mag-isa. Meron limit ako na, okay, dito ako sa group. Ganon.
Matanong ko lang, kung hindi tayo nagkakilala, pupunta ka ba ng Morocco mag-isa?
Hindi.
Kasi di ba halos naikot mo ng Euro?
Yeah, no. I'm just really waiting for someone na makakasama ko. And it just happened. Luckily, it's you. Kaya sabi ko, okay, go. Kaya kahit, di ba, kahit nauna ako, pero I still have someone.
Yes.
And your agency partner
Yeah.
also,
Kinuha ka.
they
Yeah.
accompanied me. So, okay ako doon. Pero alone, no.
You wouldn't be confident.
No. Hindi malakas loob ko pag ganun.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Kasi ayoko nung bansa na maraming tumitingin.
Yes.
So,
And that's given.
it's very disturbing for me. Like, for example, when I went to India, even in Morocco, nakita mo yan, nag-Morocco
Yes.
tayo, di ba? Mahaba naman yung suot ko, decente naman. But the way they look at you, it's very disturbing for me. So, I don't like it.
Totoo. I would give it to you not as a non-Muslim, but as a female, as a woman.
True.
That's very important for us. Even just the way you look at us. Kasi especially, you're in a foreign land.
Yeah.
Diba?
Something happened to you, di ba? So, tapos solo ka lang.
Oo. But if you're in a group, siguro mapapansin ka. But because sobrang dami
Okay lang yun,
diba?
yeah.
Halimbawa,
Oo.
somebody could protect you, somebody
Yeah.
could see you. Yeah.
If something happened, yeah, di ba? Pero yun, yung sa Morocco,
Nung nag-Europe ka nag-group, kasi yung sa eastern part, diba, ng Europe, we've known already that Europe, may mga bad experiences kapag ka dun sa mga very touristy places, like Paris, Rome. But for you, you joined a group na hindi naman ganun yung danger.
yeah. Actually, kasi itong group tour na to, originally, pandemic 2020.
Okay.
So, it's supposed to be around April or May. Hindi siya natuloy kasi nag-pandemic. So, akala nga namin hindi na matutuloy yun eh. Then, 2022, naka-receive kami ng email na ipupush through na. But I was traveling already. Naka 16 country na ako nun eh. So, that was one of the long travel that I did. So, nung sinabi nila na itutuloy na, but I was in Europe already. Sabi ko, okay, punta lang ako ng
Mag-cross
Turkey.
ka na.
Magko-cross lang ako, then babalik ako. So, kaya natuloy yun.
Oh.
Yun yung original date niya talaga, May 2020.
So, for you, for Europe, kasi nga halos na ano mo na siya. It's very safe as for a solo traveler, or you also had an experience doon?
No, safe naman ako. Sa buong Europe tour ko, except sa Sofia.
Okay.
That's back 2024. Doon
Can
lang
you
naman.
tell us about that? At least man lang malaman ng mga viewers
okay.
natin,
Sa mga
diba?
pupunta ng Sofia, Bulgaria, be careful. especially with the taxi driver. Not everyone is nice. Kasi
You were going there DIY.
Oo, DIY
Okay.
kami. Tapos dalawa na lang kami nung isang friend ko, si Tita, na natira doon. Then yung taxi driver, ayaw kami ibaba sa hotel. Then gusto niya i-take home ako. So sabi niya,
God.
no, only your auntie go to the hotel. Then you can stay in my house. Yan,
my
yan
God.
talagang sa akin. Siyempre, dalawa lang kami, babae pa kami. Pero, na ano naman, na talaga inisip sa amin, we will call a police if you're not gonna let us go. Ganon. That's Sofia, Bulgaria. That's the very first time na travel ko ng Europe na parang hindi ako feel safe dun sa lugar na yun. Yun lang. But the rest of the Schengen countries, I love it. That's why every year I go there, right?
Yes, every year talaga. So, being, I would say, ewan ko nga, ba't hindi ka pa nakakakuha ng ano doon, no? Alam ko mahaba na yung span ng visa mo doon. But, for you ba, what's the safest and your most favorite for the Schengen? Especially that, you know, Europe, hindi siya Muslim countries, but it's very, ano din, parang kahit hindi siya Muslim country, it's very visible. The Muslims there are very visible. Sobra. Even anywhere in Europe, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang daming, ano din. And why I'm emphasizing into that? Because may mga misconceptions. Ang pangit ng mga misconceptions na kapag ka may Muslim or especially in a foreign land, you wouldn't, parang feel safe, hindi na magiging maganda, ganon. Gusto ko lang malaman, gusto kong malaman din ng mga viewers natin, ano yung naging paborito mo and bakit, paano?
Favorite destination?
Okay, you can tell us na lang, even not just in Europe. Kasi, of course, magiging paborito mo ba kung hindi safe, diba?
Yeah.
So,
okay, in Asia, my number one is always Japan.
Japan. Of course, hands down Japan.
Yeah, very respectful people.
You've stayed there for several years, diba?
Yeah, for 2 years. Yeah.
And guys, ang galing-galing nitong mag-Japanese.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Yeah, so Japan is my favorite in Asia. Second, I'll go for Poland.
Me too.
I love Poland. I supposed to stay there for only 4 days. Remember, I even shared to you, like, sis, you should visit Poland. I guarantee you. Because first, to all the people who doesn't know, Poland is one of the cheapest country in Schengen area, Schengen country. So, it's so cheap, safe. They can speak English.
Yes.
Yeah, so I stayed there for almost 2 months. So, yeah, supposedly 4 days, then naging almost 2 months. So, yeah, so nakita ko talaga pati yung culture nila, food, masarap din.
Yes.
People, very helpful. Next is, I'll go for Italy kasi nag-culinary ako. So, yun yung main ko, Italian cuisine. So, I always have love for pizza and pasta. Then, last but not the least, of course, France, because all my visas from they love me so much that never nila akong dininay to all my visa application, and now they gave me a long
Yun naman din ang isa. Kasi, eto, maiba ng konti, no, about sa visa. The very first time that they apply, they would expect agad na malaki yung ano nila. Parang ilang years yan. They would expect that.
Parang nakakalimutan nila galing tayong third world country. Na gusto mo agad-agad
You have to
years.
build up yourself.
Yes, true yan.
You
Yeah,
have to build
based
up.
on my experience too, as a DIYer, na first wag ka mag-expect na 1 year ka kaagad, sis, tinalo mo pa yung mayayaman. Even yung mayayaman, binibigyan ng 3 months or 6 months
1
lang.
month even.
Yeah. You're lucky if they will give you 3 months but multiple.
True.
Right?
Yes. It's not disappointing.
Yeah.
Because we have one also experience na, 3 months lang kami. It's so disappointing.
And
we have a 10-year visa for
And
US.
mind you, for sure, alam mo to, binibase nila porket naglagay sila ng maraming show money, they will get a longer visa.
Hindi naman kasi ganun.
Stress ka doon.
Most especially dapat, your history of traveling. Not just from your finances or the proof of your income. Manggagaling yan. Marami. Your ties in the country, that's more important than anything else. And of course, you can sustain yourself outside the country.
Na hindi ka aasa sa iba.
True.
Baka maging beggar ka.
Diba? And thirdly is,
responsible traveler. Kasi yung
Yes,
iba,
bumabalik
porket may
ka ng saktong
exactly, hindi ka
oras.
mag-overstay.
True.
That's the bottom line
Once
there.
you overstay, wala
Red
na.
flag ka na.
Red flag.
Yeah.
So, sa totoo lang talaga, with Easy Access for our visa team, led by Miss Sheena, we are just so proud. I'm not saying 100% we're giving approval no, ng mga visas. Of course, through the years, we've been more than a decade. Meron na rin kaming mga experiences na mga na-deny. Pero, alhamdulillah, it's 95%. I would even say 98% approval rate ng Easy Access Travels. And that's just one of the reasons why you're gonna choose Easy Access Travels and Labike International.